Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to save presentation in Google Slide. So if you want to save your presentation in Google Slide, here's how you can get it done. First is that Google Slide automatically save your work. You can see up here, which is savings. It's automatically save your work to Drive. But if you want to save this to your computer, if you want to save your presentations to your computer, just click on the file button. Then from there, then you scroll down a little, then you tap on download. First thing you can do, you can download your work through Microsoft PowerPoint, or you download as ODP, or you download as PDF, or you download as JPEG if that's what you want. And also you can also share this with others using your email, and also you can also publish to the web if that's what you want. And also you can print from here, but the printing power will not definitely work. So the first thing you can do, the two options which I recommend for you is try to download this using this different method. You can download as PowerPoint, you can also download as PDF document, or so download in PNG image if that's what it depends on you. And that's it. If any video helpful, I can follow for more. Thank you.